This video is going to show you how to set up the taxes in your system. From the Settings tab, go to General, and then under the Accounting tab, go to the Tax section. This is where you'll type in whether you've got GST, GST and HST, and how you would like it to appear on your invoices. And then enter in the actual tax number, the tax rate. If there is a second tax, for example, we've got GST and PST, you'll put that in the PST field and the tax rate. And you also have an option here for tax exempt selection at checkout, which can override any product and service that you have with a tax. You can select this tax exempt checkbox at checkout, and it will remove the taxes just for that one particular item. Once you've made your changes, go down to the bottom and save. And next we're going to go to Settings, Clinics, and open up my second clinic to override those taxes. I'll click on the Accounting tab, and I can override the taxes here. Put in my GST number and whatever the tax rate is going to be. And when I'm finished, just select Save.